the future of Roe versus Wade. And you've heard us say that a lot this week, Roe v. Wade or Roe versus Wade, but some may not really know what or who these people were. So we want to break that down for you today. ABC 10's Lena Howland is live at the Capitol this morning. Lena, can you tell us about the significance of this case in our country?
Yeah, Bria, good morning. The significance of this case, Roe v. Wade is the name of that original lawsuit which led to the landmark Supreme Court decision all the way back in 1973. And that is what established a woman's right to an abortion in the United States. So let's break that down for you. Roe is short for Jane Roe, and that's actually a pseudonym for a woman named Norma McCorvey. She was 22 years old, unmarried, unemployed, and pregnant for the third time in 1969 when she wanted to have an abortion in 1969. But by the time the Supreme Court ruled in her favor, she had already given birth and put the baby up for adoption. Wade, short for Henry Wade, was the district attorney of Dallas County in Texas at the time, and it was his job to enforce a state law which banned abortions except to save a woman's life, meaning Wade was the person McCorvey sued when she sought the abortion in the first place. But despite that win nearly 50 years ago, UC Davis professor Lisa Aikimoto told us a majority of the Supreme Court does have the ability to go back and decide there is no constitutional right to an abortion.
That means it leaves the issue to the state legislatures and the state governors. So that means in some states, the state legislatures could decide to enact bans or very severe restrictions on access to abortion. But in other states, they might step forward, and several states have already done so, to provide strong protections for the right to decide.
If Roe v. Wade does get reversed, it would not outlaw abortions altogether across the country, but it would be up to each individual state to decide. So if this does move forward, 26 states are either certain or likely to ban abortion, while other Democratic states, such as California, could see an influx of women coming in from out of state seeking care for abortions.
Yeah, Lena, it's really good to know the history when you want to make your own informed opinion on something. So thank you so much for sharing that.